Tennessee Attorney General Jonathan Skrmetti announced Friday that the NCAA and a coalition of states, led by Tennessee, reached a settlement in a lawsuit over name, image, and likeness (NIL) rights. The agreement ensures that student-athletes can negotiate NIL deals during recruiting without fear of NCAA penalties, and prevents the NCAA from reinstating its NIL recruiting ban. "We've been fighting hard to protect Tennessee student-athletes," Skrmetti said. "This settlement lays the groundwork for a permanent solution." The outcome was expected. In February, a federal judge granted a preliminary injunction, suspending the NCAA's NIL rules and signaling that the association was unlikely to win in court. Since then, athletes have had free rein to sign NIL deals without restrictions. However, the debate over athlete compensation is far from settled. Another major lawsuit, House v. NCAA, could introduce revenue sharing as early as July, allowing universities to directly pay athletes up to $21 million annually for all sports combined. NIL will continue, but regulations remain unclear. This lawsuit, Tennessee v. NCAA, began in January when Skrmetti sued the NCAA, challenging its control over NIL. The case gained momentum after an NCAA investigation into Tennessee athletics and allegations of NIL violations. A federal judge issued the preliminary injunction 2 weeks later, forcing the NCAA to halt its NIL enforcement. By March 1st, the NCAA had paused all NIL-related investigations, including its probe into Tennessee. The case faded from the spotlight, though legal maneuvering continued for months. More states joined Tennessee and Virginia in the lawsuit, while the NCAA struggled to mount a successful counterargument. Ultimately, the NCAA's position crumbled, leading to Friday's settlement. Though the lawsuit has ended, the battle over college athlete compensation is ongoing. The next phase could reshape the financial structure of college sports, determining how players are paid and how NIL coexists with revenue sharing.